Hi everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Sichamba Jacob. Alright, so I've got the question with me right over here. We need to expand this using binomial theorem. Okay, so before we start expanding, let's just have a look at the formula which needs to be considered. So this is the formula. Though it looks a little bit complicated, it's not difficult to understand. Okay, so what it says here, it says that you first need to write this part that you're able to see of the formula is the same as this n r, okay, is equal to, or nk is equal to n factorial over n minus k factorial and k factorial. So this part, just this part, is the same as n choose k, and this is how we write it. Now let me show you how we're going to write this coefficient. So the way it will be written, it will be like this. So you write it like this. So where there was n here, you write the power, the given power, which is a power 4. And then down here, you start from 0. So that's it. This is how it is. Nk. This is the power, and then you start from 0. Okay? So, meaning this part, we skip it. We'll come and use it later. We now go to this part. So if you're able to see, there is AB. So what it says here, it says that get the first term here, which is this one, and then you write n minus k. So n minus k. On the second term, you just write the value of k. So let me show you what we're talking about. So if you can see here, the first term is what? It's a 1. And then we said n minus k. So this is n, actually this is 0. N minus k. This is what the formula is telling us. And then you multiply it by the second term together with its sign. So this is the second term. Now on the second term, just get the k. So our k here, it's a 0. I hope this makes sense. Look at this. I hope it makes sense. So n minus k, that's on the first term. On the second term, just write the k. Okay. So when you do that, you say plus. This time around, we shall say n, our k will be a 1. We are from 0, we go to 1. Okay? Our a is a 1. This one is our a. And then you subtract this minus this. So that will be 4 minus 1 multiplied by the second term. This second term. For the second term, get this k. You just write it here. Plus. Okay? I hope you're following. Plus. Here, it will be maintaining the power. Down here, we have a 2. From 1, it's 2. We know our a is a 1, this one. So it will be 4 minus a 2. 4 minus 2. For our b there, it will be negative 3x power the k. I hope you understand the pattern, the way we are moving. So this is a 4, 3. We've got a 1, 4 minus a 3. Our b is a negative 3x power 3, which is a k. Okay? Plus. I'll write down here. So it will be, okay, let me just write it here so that we don't finish the space. So this will be 4, choose 4. So you see the way it's moving? The top number, the power is maintained throughout. The power is maintained. But down here, we are moving from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So here it will be 1 power 4 minus 4. And then here, negative 3x power. I hope somebody is able to see negative 3x power 4. Okay, so this is where we are. We can now start simplifying. So in calculating these, for example, 4, choose, okay, let me start with this. Let me just try this one. So this is 4 choose 1. So let me show you for 4 choose 1 how you calculate the coefficient. So 4 choose 1, it will be equal to, here n is a 4, you can see n is a 4 factorial over n there, that is a 4 minus 1, k is 1, okay, factorial, and then 1 factorial. So when we say factorial, this factorial, it simply means get 4 times the number that follows times the number that follows all the way to a 1. Okay? Here there is a 3. It will be 3 because 4 minus 1 will give us a 3. So 3 times 2 times 1. And then times 1. Factorial is just times 1. When we simplify, we're getting a 24 over 6, which is equal to 24 over 6 will just give us a 4. Okay, so we know that 4 choose 1 is a 4. Okay, so this is a process that you need to follow. Now, let me now just do the calculations here. So this one is giving us when we do those steps, it will give us a 1. So it's giving us a 1 multiplied by 1 power 4. This one, since it's inside the brackets, to the power 0, it will just give us a 1, plus here it will be 4 multiplied by 1 power 3, like that, plus for this one, when we say 4 choose 2, it will give us a 6. So this one is giving us a 6, this one here it's a 6. Okay, and then 1 power 2, here negative 3x power 2 also. We say plus, this time around we add this one, so it will be a 4, because 4 choose 3 will give us a 4, and then when we simplify here, we're getting a 1 power 1, negative 3x power 3, plus this one is giving us a 1 multiplied by 1 power 0, negative 3x power 4. Okay, so now we start simplifying here. When we work out here, it will just give us a 1. 1 times 1 power 4 times 1 is just a 1. For this one, it will be negative 12x, this one. 4 times 1 power 3, it's 4, times negative 3, it's 12, times x there, it's negative 12x. For this one, it will give us a negative 18, that's 6 times 1 times 9x squared. So 6 times 9 there will give us a 54. So this one will come and give us a 54, plus here it will be 4. Let me simplify. 4 here it will be minus 27x power 3 for this one. Okay, 4 times 1 times 3 power negative 3 power 3x power 3, it will be negative 27. For this one, it will be equal to negative 81. So let me simplify further. We've got 1 12x minus, when we multiply these two, we're getting a 54x squared. Okay, when we multiply these two, 4 times 27, negative 27, it's negative 108x power 3. Okay, I hope we are doing the same thing. For this one, it's giving us a positive 81x power 4. This one right here. So this is how it's supposed to be. Thank you and bye-bye.